Hello everyone, my name is Sanchit. Welcome to my channel SanchitGurukul. In this video, we will understand a simple question: why the world cannot function without computer network. Let us imagine a world without a computer networks. Every computer works alone. You cannot send emails, you cannot share files, you cannot use the internet. If you want to give a file to someone, you must use a pen drive. This process is slow and difficult. If you want to share any data from one location to another location, first you need to copy all the data into pen drive and then you need to deliver that drive to another location. There are chances of delay, there are chances of theft while transferring the data using in physical mode. As computer become common, this become a big problem now. People wanted to share data easily, they wanted fast communication, they wanted to work together. But computers were not connected, so a solution was needed. Computer networks were created to solve this problem. A computer network connects two or more devices. Connect devices can communicate to each other. They can share data, they can share resources as well. The main reason why computer is required nowadays: first, data sharing. We share files, documents, and reports. One computer can send data, another computer receives that data. Resource sharing. Many computers can use one printer. Many computers can use single internet connection to browse the internet. Saves money and time. Third is communication. We use email, we use office chat tools like Microsoft Teams, Zoom. We use video meetings like Zoom meetings and other to communicate each other over the internet. This only possible because of computer network. Now take look into the real world example. Think about a big office. In this office, many employees uses different type of computers. It may be a desktop, it may be a PC, or maybe they are connecting using the BOYD mobiles or smartphone devices. All computers are connected using a computer network. There is a one printer. All employees can use the same printer. There is a one internet connection. All employees can access the internet. There is one company server. Employees can save and access file from the server. Without the computer network, this is not possible. Assume that there is no connectivity between these devices. So each users require a separate printer which is connected directly to their PC to print for print job. Assume that there is no network connectivity, no local area network, and each users required a separate internet gateway to reach internet. This is possible only due to the computer network. They can share the resource, they can use single internet to browse internet, they can use single printer for print job. Let us quickly recap. Computer network exists to connect devices. They help in data sharing, they help in resource sharing, they help in communication. This is why computer network is necessary for. In the next video, I will explain types of computer networks. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to Sanchit Gurukul. Thank you for watching this video. This is Sanchit. See you in the next video.